Let's talk about using a flag antenna with a regular loop amp. What do we know? Our desired reception is coming from this direction. We have a intrinsic resistance here which we can control via a potentiometer, a fixed resistance, or a remote control of around 1,000 ohms. This is the nature of the flag antenna. There's an optimal resistance here. The impedance of the flag antenna is such that we need to drop it down to take advantage of a standard loop amplifier. It's going to have a significantly lower input impedance. So we generally use a 16:1 impedance match right about here. From there, it heads off to the receiver at between 50 and 75 ohms nominally. As you know, to power this loop amplifier, we need to insert a box called a bias T in here. What that does, it allows us to send 12 volts or whatever we want to the loop amplifier and extract the RF to go to the receiver. If they're isolated, you can separate RF and DC quite nicely. So that takes care of the loop amplifier. We need to take care of the impedance mismatch between the loop amplifier and the flag or Pennant or CAS or EWE antenna that we're using here. Hence the 16:1, which goes right about in here for a very happy relationship. That is the basics of the flag using a standard loop amplifier that's not specifically made for flags or pennants.